Go Fleetly 1.16 scale radio control model car. So here are the functions: backward, forward, turn right, and turn left. Light, on and off doors, adjusted for left and right. 360 headlights.
360, that one, the donuts.
Yeah, it's going to be.
Yeah, turning.
And this is the stop icon. Okay, so here we have.
Wait, the other one?
This is the what? They
1:16 scale.
Yeah.
Okay.
1.16 scale.
Now,
The Go
Omar.
Fleetly car.
Top
Second
racing.
Is the name Top Racing. These are only 3 functions. This is, I don't know, this
Stop.
is for stopping the car. And this is
Light.
a battery.
There is light.
And
Yeah.
there's a light temperature.
It's 1:16. Also, the scale of the car. Full functions, left and right, backward, and yes, this is the battery and
This is the button of the car.
Yes.
And now, and I have noticed that
Open. Bato pick.
no, the smallest.
Yeah.
car.
Okay. Smallest cars. Chan.
Dun, dun,
Oh.
dun, 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 dun. Drum roll, please.
Oh. The box. Give it to me, the box.
And here is the car.
Wow.
So tiny. 5. I think it's -5.
Jamal, we need your help. Wait.
This car is extremely cool.
Yeah.
So the back side had a cool style and the battery of the remote.
So we charge already the battery so that
Yeah,
we can
so we
use
can
it.
ride the car.
So,
this remote
see?
is so small and the car is
Let's
so light.
spring test.
After.
Suspension test.
Wait, kind of cool. Cool.
Yeah,
Moving.
suspension.
And it's
No
light.
suspension because this racing car, so it's low.
It's light
Not like
also.
what.
Kinda
So
light.
this is the RC, the remote control, 27 megahertz. For you it's 47 megahertz.
What's
So when you open the
megahertz? I really hope.
when you open
I
this
hope
light,
the car will light.
it will make like
megahertz?
strike. Oh, see?
Right.
See? This the
Dad, do you know
Okay.
Megahertz? What's megahertz?
unboxing the Go.
Go Fleetly. No.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, here. Just can you help us help if
looks
you?
like the same radar. You notice?
Yeah, can you help him? He cannot open it.
The car is so
Yeah.
cool and so light. You notice?
Yeah, just
Drum roll, please.
I think the other side, the other in the remote area.
Drum roll, please, Omar.
Yes.
Drum roll, please again.
Wow. So this is the car.
Pick it up.
Yeah. So this is the remote control.
So.
Okay, this is the opening the door, left, forward, left and right, and it's 49 megahertz. So,
Where's certain 49 megahertz?
yala, is that open it?
Drum roll.
Yes. Slowly.
Let me help you here.
Yeah, do it so it will be quickly. Give to Papa the
Let me help.
items.
I'll do it. Oh.
So, that's
Wow.
it. Omar, give it to Papa.
Let me carry it. Kind of light.
Light.
Also,
Yeah,
this
no,
is
little
lighter.
bit heavy.
This is
Heavy.
little, This is more light.
Okay, heavier.
No, it's kind of heavier. And this is little kind of light. Today we're going to show you how this function looks like.
Can I hold?
The car is
So it's opening the door, all
I guess
the
lights
the
is so
engines
speeder than
also.
engines.
So I don't know what this model of the car. So
I know,
it's 49
I know it's this.
megahertz. The battery it's
I think it's a Ferrari.
It's,
Yeah, it's a
yeah,
Ferrari.
it's a Ferrari. Yeah, it's a Ferrari model. So you try to on, and it's lighting. So the door.
Oh my god.
This is the door control. So
It's so cool.
So,
Like I want
it will open
Wow.
and
Can it bite my
closing.
hand?
closing.
Ow.
So it will open and close. So we can bring, to damage it quickly. Open it and close. So, try the wheel, Kuya.
Let's try!
Oh, speed. Okay. So, it's time now for a road taste. Racing taste. Okay.
First,
It's cool, right?
the driver's seat is red.
Yeah.
Now we're going to test who's the speedest. By test driving, who's the fastest? Let's go. Wait, no.
Wait, 1, 2, 3. Oh, cool.
I win! No, you lost.
Oh, don't go to just. Wow, it's so speed. How you feel? How the driving is?
Let's open the door because the driver's going now.
Okay, close.
Go!
Attention, both your car has to turn on the post as 360.
So good. Let's test our 360.
Yala. Okay, only you. Okay, in 1, 2, 3, go!
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Go here. Second turn. Okay. Wow.
So guys, how do you feel? Who's your favorite? The blue or the red?
It's cool, right? Both is cool.
Actually, I love the blue. It's kind of... For what you have done to my car! Yeah! Run! Reverse! Retreat! No. It's out of battery.
Oh.
Oh my god! Oh no. The best part is the door. Oh!
Drift.
Destroy! Oh no! How do you feel about the performance of this car? I rate it out of 10 out of 10. How about you, Omar? 15 out of 15. So guys, do you know that we're going to end this video out of 50. 50 out of 50 today. So I hope you enjoy our car, especially for the full function of those cars.
So, what do you think they like? The one that the monster truck last time, or
Yeah.
this one? Yeah.
So don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and the like button. Actually, that's also what you have to do if you're new. Same size and same speed. So bye.